The moment women stop respecting you is the moment that that girl is gonna cheat on you with the guy that she actually respects, with the guy that actually puts her in her place. This is why you need to set boundaries early. This is why you need to be looking out for those signs that if you notice she's no longer respecting you, you gotta go. She takes us on to number one. She's going to test you. It's in their nature to test a man's ability to lead. And to do this, she's gonna test you with small tests, which honestly, I think they do subconsciously. I don't even think that they're aware that they're doing, but biologically, it's in their nature to test us because she wants to make sure that she's with the strongest option. See, and how you respond, it's everything. If you get defensive, argumentative, or you lose your temper, she's gonna know that she's with the weak man that she can easily control. However, if you're just unfazed, you set boundaries early for crap that you don't allow, she's gonna know that she's with a natural born leader. Number two, she name calls. Look, the moment that she insults you in any way and starts using profanity, respect has gone out the window. Look, she doesn't admire you. She said it. She's disgusted. She probably calls you lazy, disgusting, you're a slob. How many times has a woman told you any of this? Well, wait a minute. If more than one, there might be a little bit of truth there. I mean, you still shouldn't let her do that, but bro, your brother has told you this since day one. Your hygiene, how you take care of yourself. This is important. And honestly, you're gonna love me. You're going to love me because, boys, this Saturday, January 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern, we're starting the year early. We've been working on a premium line for He Grooming where I wanted to simplify your life. See, most of you dudes have 3-in-1s, 5-in-1s. Yo, I saw on TikTok some dude had a 56-in-1. It was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. When it comes to your shower and hygienic routine, you need 3 basic things in your shower. You need a body wash, you need a shampoo, and you need a conditioner. And you need to make sure these are top tier and they smell amazing. Because if this is your bare minimum, if this is the only thing that you're gonna do to your hygiene, they have to be good and they have to smell great. You do this, you got your bases covered. And this is what we wanted to do with He Grooming. See, we're dropping a new body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. We're still having our old body wash because that's our entry level one. But this new line, this is our premium stuff. This is top of the line. So top of the line. Let me just give you an example. The scent that you're gonna smell in our fragrance, we partnered with our fragrance house in France. Did you just hear what I said? Like, how many body washes and shampoos and conditioners you know use fragrances and oils from France? I'm gonna wait. I'm literally gonna sit here and wait. And any that you do find are probably gonna cost you $100 a bottle. See, we partnered up with our fragrance house in France. They're using the same high-end oils that they use in high-end perfumes. We designed a specific scent for our fragrances. That's how high-end we went. So high-end, our body wash, it has restorative properties. So when you shower with our body wash and you step out, your skin's gonna be softer than ever, on top of smelling amazing, smelling like a legit high-end perfume, because that's exactly what we went out to go buy for you guys. And then our shampoo and conditioner are both infused with tea tree oil, which is there to hydrate your hair to make sure that we're not overly stripping it. And every time you shampoo and condition, your hair gets softer and softer. And it's infused with biotin to help promote hair growth so your hair grows thicker and fuller. Bro, this is some of the top of the line ingredients you'll ever find, all to make your life easy. You put those 3 in your bathroom, not only is it gonna look sexy, not only is it gonna look like a man that's well taken care of, ain't no girl ever gonna call you a slob. Ain't no girl ever gonna call you disgusting. Boys, this Saturday, January 22nd, you're not gonna wanna miss it. This is probably gonna fly. If I were you, put a reminder on your phone at 10 a.m. Our He Grooming store is going live. These are essentials you're going to wanna have in your bathroom. Number 3. They ignore the boundaries you're setting. Remember what I talked about, that you have to set up boundaries early? Well, if you notice that you set up boundaries, but she just like wipes her ass with them and still decides to do whatever she wants, yeah, respect's out the window. And these are healthy boundaries, right? You can say that you don't tolerate screaming. You don't tolerate insults. You want some privacy. If she's consistently breaking these boundaries, yeah, you gotta replace. Number 4, she's still looking for attention. This one's interesting. See, if you're married, if this girl's your girlfriend, if this girl's your fiance, if she is still out there posting pictures half naked, still getting attention from other men, she's disrespecting you. See, what you don't understand is that when women do this and they say, oh, we're doing it for ourselves. No, they're not. No, they're not, right? Why don't you go post this on Tumblr? Yeah, because nobody's gonna see it. They're posting it on Instagram and on TikTok because they want people to see it, primarily men, and she wants to get the sick dudes that comment on her. She wants to get the DMs. You wanna know? You wanna know why? Because she's still looking. She's still looking. And if any of those dudes end up being more high value or more dominant or have more money or better looking than you, chances are she will respond to that DM. When a woman's still looking for attention, that means that she's still looking and she's disrespecting you, bro. Number 5, they don't listen to you and overtalk you. Look, everyone needs to be better listeners. Shoot, I've probably told you this at least 100 times that you gotta be a better listener, especially in relationships. Well, this is a two-way street. She needs to be a good listener as well when you're speaking. And the moment that she overtalks you or does this consistently, what she's letting you know is that her thoughts and what she has to say is more important than what you have to say. Therefore, she's basically telling you, yo, look, I don't respect you. I think that what I'm saying is right. Look, listening is a healthy two-way street in any relationship. In the same way that you're dishing it out, she needs to dish it out back. And if she's not, that girl ain't respecting you anymore. Time to replace. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Grooming launch this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.